Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dream Academia. This is Orko Pravacharya from Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department. And today we will be discussing about the facts and updates which we have collected for WBJE 2021. So guys, do watch this video completely because it contains loads of information which we have collected for some time, and also do comment your thoughts and opinions in the comment box about what you think is your level of preparation and how you plan to complete the syllabus before 2021 WBJE. So guys, to begin with, we all know the pitiable state of the country now. The total amount of medical infrastructure is collapsing. There's an acute shortage of beds and there's no oxygen supply as of now, and some of the hospitals in Delhi and West Bengal are totally in a collapsed state. We know that even beds are not available for patients, and lakhs of people are getting infected per day. Loads of them are dying now. In such a situation, I don't think it is in any way possible to conduct an examination which involves directly some 1 lakh students and their parents and family members directly. Even the vaccination is in a pitiable state because you know that 18 to 44 age group is not getting the vaccine anytime soon, and there's an acute shortage of vaccines too for those who are 45 plus. So overall the situation is not conducive to conduct an examinations. Now bringing you to some official facts. CBSE class 10 examinations have officially been cancelled and they will be graded based on alternative assessments. Now, as far as ICSE Class 10 is concerned, there has been no official confirmation, and we expect that we will be getting some news regarding it very soon. So that's as far as Class 10 examinations are concerned. Now, coming to Class 12 examinations, CBSE Class 12 examinations have not been confirmed as of now, and we are expecting some information very soon. ICSE Class 12 examinations, I mean ISC examinations as they're called now, is also expected to be announced some very time soon following updates on CBSE. As far as these two examinations are confirmed, uh, we are not getting any further updates on this, as and so we can't comment on their fate, but you can assume that these examinations may be conducted sometime in August or September if the conditions are conducive then the second wave recedes. So that's what the class 10 and 12 board examinations are concerned. Now coming to competitive examinations, there has been no official confirmation regarding the NEET examination, but JEE Main 2021 April and May attempts have been postponed indefinitely, and the dates will be given to you in due notice some 15 days before the examination, and that this has been done keeping in mind the safety of the students. That is the first point. Now coming to the second point, JEE Advanced 2021 is being conducted by IIT Kharagpur. Now IIT Kharagpur hasn't officially given a statement, but there have been some amount of debates regarding if JEE Advanced can be conducted during this time. So we also expect that JEE Advanced may be postponed. There's still a chance. We are not confirmed yet, but that the news from the inside sources says so that it might get postponed. So this is what the competitive examinations as the scene is now as of the examinations are concerned. So now if we look at these ones, we think that WBJ 2021 is surely getting postponed.
तो करना परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से
There's no other option. If JEE main examination has to get postponed, then WBJE must get postponed. But
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो, बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का. हाँ,
there has been no official confirmation from the side of West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board, and these are all speculative. Now coming to some official facts regarding WBJ 2021, which can bring you closest to the examination. WBCHSE, that is West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, which conducts the class 12 examinations for the West Bengal board, has officially confirmed some few days back that the examinations are not yet getting postponed or cancelled. The examinations will be scheduled
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा
इसके मुंह में पैदाशी सुपारी है, ये तोतला है.
the scheduled days. Only the fact that the examination timing has been changed a bit, and you can give your examination from the nearest center of your house. So that is how much as WBJE WBCHSE is concerned. Now WBCHSC is directly related to WBJE in the sense that if WBCHSC is not getting postponed, then you can expect the WBJE 2021 will also not get postponed. Given the fact that WBCHSC results are counted in the counseling process as the class 12 board marks, so if that examination is not postponed, then you can't expect the WBJE will also get postponed. So from that side of view, then we can assume that WBJE will not get postponed as of now, as per the situation.
अबे साले जो माफ करना मैं इधर उससे मैं इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ जब
But meetings are still under consideration and facts need to be verified as per the latest updates. So guys, the fact of the matter is that WBJE board has not mentioned anything officially as of now, so you need to keep studying, but the examinations might get postponed keeping in view the other examinations. So this is the official information which we have received as of now. Now guys, let me make one thing very clear, that these examinations can never be cancelled. These can only be postponed. Because of the fact that these are very crucial examinations and decide the admission to some very prestigious engineering colleges. So you don't expect that the admission will be done on the class 12 marks, and you all are already studying very hard for these kind of examinations, so you must be assuming the fact that the examination can only get postponed, and someday or the other you'll have to sit for this examination. So beware of that fact that you should not stop studying right now, that the examination will not be held and it will get cancelled. You all have to keep studying. You all have been working around 2 years or more for this examination, and for that one 3 hour paper or that one 4 hour paper. So don't stop studying right now. Keep revising, keep in touch with the books. I know that the situation is not at all conducive. Maybe you are not well, maybe your family members are not well, but we can't do anything right now. You all have to keep studying in this way. But I can make your job a bit easier by suggesting you the fact that Dream Academy has brought the WB 2021 crash course. Regularly we are updating one or two videos in our YouTube channel, so you must follow those videos. If you are weak in that subject, you can just study that chapter from your book or notes and then refer to our videos. We'll be also uploading the daily DPPs or based on that chapter in our Telegram group. You can just solve those DPPs, and we are always ready in the Telegram group to solve any doubts arising out of those DPPs. So guys, do follow our crash course, and also we are bringing our free test series for WBJ 2021 based on the latest pattern of the question paper. So be prepared for that. Stay tuned to our channel. Also, to keep yourself entertained, talk to your friends, your family members, stay by them, give them any form of mental assistance that they need, and that is all I can suggest at this hour of the day. I know that you all are almost devastated by this time. You all are also very stressful regarding this examination. Maybe you all are studying for years on end for this examination for this one day, but then we all know that the situation India is going through. I hope that the examination is postponed and you all get a bit more of time to revise, but also keep knowledge of the fact that the examination will be highly competitive because everyone has got a lot of time to revise. So to give yourself an edge over this, do practice in our DPPs and also go to our videos. Do participate in the daily mock test which we'll be organizing in the near future. So guys, that was all from my side. So we will be bringing more latest updates regarding all other competitive examinations, and if we get any other news regarding WBJ 2021, we will be the first to share it with you. So stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, and also rock the examinations with Dream Academia. Thank you.